Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I am in my new setup. This is going to be the background of my videos for the rest of 2021 and on, which I am so excited for. You guys know that I have always wanted to film with my makeup collection behind me in my videos, but it just never worked with the old layout of my room. So for today's video, I'm doing an updated room tour, and I just cannot wait to reveal to you guys everything that I've been doing behind the scenes. If you guys follow me on any of my socials or even here on YouTube, I've been posting little hints and sneak peeks here and there, just mentioning it, and I definitely can say this is the biggest transformation I have ever done to my room. And if you guys watched any of my older room tours, which you can watch down below, I just have never changed around my room, and that is just because the size that it is. I mentioned this in every single room tour video. The reason why it looks a little bit bigger to you guys is because I have illusions in my room to make it look like it's not as small. For example, I have a big set of windows that I always have open, which gives light. I have light furniture, light walls, which really can open up a room. My overall theme for this room is like glam and glitter, like anything super bougie, you know. Me and my sister actually worked on this project in the beginning of December when I had my self-quarantine. I was feeling really good while I was sick, and we decided to take advantage of the time that we had to stay inside the house and change up my room, which I have been wanting to do forever, but like I said, we have just never figured out a layout that would work besides what it used to be. Shout out to my sister. She is so good in like designing and like organizing. She also does lots of like style and like decor videos as well, so if you like those, I would definitely check her out. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So when you first walk in the room, this is what you see, and I love that the first kind of thing that your eye attracts to is my makeup collection. I have spent years and so much time and effort building and just collecting so much makeup to be able to have it look like this. So it's something I'm really proud of, and it's just my passion, so I'm really glad that it's like the main piece of the room. Of course, it would not be possible without you guys, so I am just so beyond thankful that I was able to get a dream collection. Like, this was literally what I've had in my head. And then coming over here, which is where my makeup collection used to be, is now my bed, so it's just kind of like switched around. And then around to the door which we came in, I have decluttered a lot of my closet. If you guys are interested in my wardrobe and what is in my closet, I will leave a closet organization and a closet tour linked down below so you can watch that. I will be linking everything down below if you guys are interested, or if it doesn't have links, I will include where I got it from. Then moving over, I have my perfume tray. I got this rhinestone holder from Marshall's, and it was literally the definition of like what I was looking for when I was looking for pieces to put in my room. I'm not really a big like perfume person. Like, I don't like to collect them. I just kind of have my staple pieces and I just rotate between those. Moving over, I have a new addition to the collection. I am also not a big purse or like bag fan. Like, I don't collect them. I don't like having one to match every outfit. I just like having like an everyday bag and a fancy bag just to switch between the two. So I ended up buying this Michael Kors white book bag, and I have the white matching purse. So this is for a fancy night and this is for like an everyday type of thing. I also have a what's in my purse video if you guys want to watch that as well, which will all be linked down below. If I mention any video, I will have it in the description. And I just decided to splurge on this item. One, because like I said, I don't have a bunch of bags. Like, this is the only really nice bag that I have, and also it kind of like fits as a decor piece. Like, if I didn't have that book bag, I have no idea what I would have put here. Above that, I have my TV, which my TV used to be hanging above my makeup collection, which was over here, and to me it just looked so cluttered. The good thing about this TV is it can pull out, so when I'm in bed I can tilt it towards me, because this was really a weird spot for it. But like I said, I have like minimal wall space. Like, I have windows that take up one whole wall, two doors that take up one whole wall in itself. And then moving over to the closet, it really opens up the room. It gives an illusion of a whole nother room back there when it, you know, it's just mirrors. I never really had a long length mirror in my room, just simply because I've never had anywhere to put it. But this like is like such a hack. Like, literally, if you don't have room for a mirror, literally just get like a mirrored door, even if it's on like the back of your door. This will be linked down below if you're interested. This knob did not come with it though. This is from Lowe's and it just like attaches on. So if you are interested in more about my closet and wardrobe, closet tour link down below. Literally this entire video just like plugging the heck out of my own channel. I have my mini fridge here on the floor because it didn't really fit anywhere. I didn't want to put it and clutter up my makeup vanity. I really like the like plain look, so I just put it down there. It fits perfect, so it's by itself. And here is my makeup collection, which you guys have already seen. I want to dedicate a whole separate video to a makeup collection video, so if you guys are interested in that, please give this video a thumbs up so I know, and I will be right on that for you guys. I hooked up a new switch for my lights on and off. This is what it looks like off. I actually don't usually have them on like all the time. I only just have them on when I'm filming or if I'm doing my makeup, obviously, but when I'm like just in bed chilling, or even if I'm not home, I don't have them on like 24/7. If you guys are interested in how I did this whole like light switch thing, it's literally just like a piece that you buy at either Lowe's or Home Depot or somewhere, and whatever you plug into an outlet basically gets like Bluetoothed or connected to the switch. I don't know how it works, but yeah, there's no like wires or anything. This is literally just command stripped to the Alex 9 drawers. And I have this soap dispenser. I actually have my face lotion in this, and again, I just had to get it. Like, it matches that and also this over here, all three from Marshall's. I just loved the theme. Another tip for if you have a room on the smaller side is to get some type of storage ottoman. I used to have a beauty or vanity chair, but it just wasn't practical. Like, I feel like I would like the look of that better because it would be smaller. But this, I feel like, just fits the room. It has jewels in it, it's gray velvet, and it has storage since I really needed it since I was moving around my room. I lost 2 storage drawers on that side since it's so close to the window. And also, if I'm ever filming like with somebody, this is just perfect for like to do makeup with someone, and it's not like a singular chair, you know. Moving over, I have my fairy lights strung over or like around my window, and these are actually hooked up to my Echo Dot. So all I have to do is say Echo, turn off my lights.
Okay.
And she does it for me, which is just really like simple and convenient. I do have this main light in my ceiling fan, but I don't really use that because it's like really weird like yellowish lighting. A new thing since my last room tour as well is these shades, and these are magnetic, which is really different. I've never even heard of magnetic shades, but basically you just do that. Like, there's these different rods at different levels, and you could kind of put them wherever you want. So you can have it like lower if you want, or you can have it super high, which is how I like them because, like I said, it brings in a lot of light. For my bed, I have the headboard, which connects to the 4 storage, which will be linked down below. It was from IKEA. I don't quite remember where my comforter was from. I'll try and find it. I really love it. It's like huge. Literally, look at it compared to my full-sized headboard. We have my kitty cat and then all of my decorative pillows. Over here, I have this power outlet that's command stripped to the bedboard. And I just have my 2 charging cords for my controller and my phone. This is that thing that controls the lights on and off for the Echo Dot. And then my humidifier, Febreze, and my heated blanket. This humidifier was from Amazon and I love it. And then I have these really cute decorative lights strung on the top of my headboard, which are again like those rhinestones. I have my slippers down here, and this is where my ring light stays when I am not filming. So this is like about what my room looks like on the regular. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what color your room is. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all your post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you all had a wonderful new year. I love you all so much, and bye guys.